A big pile of salt here, loads of motorbikes as you can see, from all the farmers that have come from around the area. And they just pile this salt up. I don't know if you can see. Let's grab a bit. Oh, it's like a rock, really rock hard, like a stone. But and they will get a lorry and they'll shovel it up into a big lorry in sacks, and then yeah, they will take it off, I suppose, to be ground up. I don't know the whole story of it, but interesting. See all this little stuff we don't know. All the tourists don't see all this, so I try and show you the stuff which is not normally seen by tourists to Thailand. Big piles of salt. Some of them line the actual ponds. This one I think is just sort of like banked up with clay, so the salt that you get is not that clean. But the ones that are sort of rubber lined like a fish pond almost, that salt will be a better grade and they can charge slightly more money. But a few people shoveling away. Probably a bit back-breaking, especially in this heat. I mean, luckily enough it's about 3:30, and also there is a big bank of cloud which is trying to come over here because the rainy season is sort of heading this way. Not here yet, but it's a little bit cool, well, cooler later on. So anyway, okay, shall leave the guys to it, get on my way. Just thought it'd be interesting. This stretches all the way from Hachao Samran, which if you look on the map is in the Gulf of Thailand, and it goes all the way up basically to Samut Songkram. Loads and loads and loads. So Sawadee Krap. Lawn May? Lawn May? Lawn? Lawn? Lawn Mag Mag? Hot. Yes. So drink beer? Give beer, May? Water. Okay. May beer. Okay, right, leave the guy to it. Gonna have a break and then let's head up the road. Okay, catch you later. Okay, there's a little bit of information both in Thai and English. So I'll read it out. It's not the best thing, it's all a bit broken and faded. So, sea salt farming, a way of life. One of the traditional way of lives of the locals living on the coast of Phetchaburi is sea salt farming. The process starts with a collection of seawater into man-made shallow ponds or dedicated reservoirs called Wang Nam. Next, the stored seawater is pumped to another reservoir called Natak to filter dirt and other big chunks of contaminants. The filtered seawater is then released to another, this bit's broken, so maybe a solar evaporation pond known as Nashur, before being released to Na Pong. As the sea salt crystallizes, it is piled into big heaps resembling pyramids and is then transported into a storage facility. So there you go. So that's what they do. Long process, I should imagine, once you sort of get your pond ready, fill it with seawater, and then just wait and pump it and God knows what. So okay, let's head off. See you later.